In today's video, I'm going to teach you POS Time Tracker for Shopify POS, Complete Guide. Start by opening your Shopify admin. Once you're in, head straight to Settings. From there, look for Sales Channels. This is where you manage the different places your store sells, including your in-person setup. Select Point of Sale, then choose Open Sales Channel to load the POS controls and features inside your admin. On the POS Overview page, you'll see an option to download Shopify POS. This link takes you to install the mobile app on your devices, which you'll use at the counter. Go ahead and open that link to review the app details. Back in the admin, follow the on-screen prompts. When you see a highlighted section guiding you through setup within the POS channel page, click the highlighted area to continue. Next, choose View Location to manage the store location you'll use with POS. If you're running multiple locations, pick the one you want to configure and confirm by selecting the highlighted option associated with that location. Accurate location selection matters because settings like devices, staff access, and cache tracking apply per location. Open cache tracking to review how your register sessions are handled. Use the highlighted controls to confirm or adjust the workflow for opening floats, logging cache adjustments, and reconciling at the end of a shift. This connects directly to accountability and gives you clearer insight into activity across a day, which supports your time and shift processes. Move to Staff within the POS channel to see who can access your registers. Then view locations for a quick check that your POS hardware and availability line up with the store you're configuring. Head into Settings and select General. If you're prompted to open General more than once, that's fine. Just confirm the same section again until you're on the main General page where your POS defaults are visible. This is a good moment to make sure things like device behavior and default preferences are aligned with how your team actually works. Choose Customize to tailor the POS experience for your staff. After that, go to Checkout to review options that affect every transaction, things like receipt handling and customer capture. Finally, open Orders to confirm how in-person orders are listed and managed, keeping everything tidy for end-of-day review. That's it. You navigated to the POS sales channel, confirmed your app download path, selected the right location, reviewed cache tracking, checked staff and locations, and fine-tuned General, Customize, Checkout, and Orders. These settings sync to your POS devices and help create a